I'm recording again. You just farted. Hey, look, she's bending over.
What? No,
Isn't that
sorry.
great?
Go in the water and start humping it.
Okay.
She humps water. Oh my fucking god.
She's spelling. Hey, my feet are blocking than her ass, you know? Booty! I see your butt.
Oh, Karen. Hey, no, they should have their own hideout.
Yeah.
I want to make an emo hideout.
It should be our club. The emo club.
Yes. Want to be in the emo club? Yeah.
I am emo.
Yeah, I'm a little emo. Like, I love the color black and stuff. And you like my hair, people?
We should go back, yo.
Yeah, let's go back. Go.
Hold on. Look at her walk. It's so sexy, isn't it? Humping. Oh, keep doing it. Do that thing. Work it, girl.
Man, show that
She's bending
ass.
over.
Show that ass.
Yeah, keep going.
Man,
keep
look at that
going.
big old ass, baby.
Roll over. Roll over.
Why would I want to roll over?
The big ass.
Look, booty.
Ass, look at the big ass. The big ass.
Oh no, it's an earthquake.
Yeah, 'cause my tits are hitting you in the face.
Oh, God, I want to touch myself.
Whoa, I think it fell in. Almost fell in.
God damn it.
Here, sit, yo.
Ah. You don't need to
Hey, man.
Boobies.
Oh,
Go
God.
try to help a turtle.
No, because I'm about to fall. There's no fall in.
Fell in.
Don't fall in my key.
It's like the toilet.
Yeah. Okay. The hell? Okay.
Is there a way to break my leg up here?